मास स्टडी बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, जिसमें बच्चे अपने दिल में जो कमियां थी वो इसके ज़रिए निकाल सकते हैं। इसलिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि इनको मास स्टडी जैसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, जिससे बच्चे कामयाब इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हैं।
My name is Shubhi Dixit. I am from Raigad Chhattisgarh, and today I am doing a ground reporting, guys. And today I am going to tell you our news of the theft.
Welcome to our channel, and this is Manisha Patel. I am from Indore. Now it's 6 o'clock and I am in garden of my colony. This garden name is Radha Rukmani Garden.
I am Habiba. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Please tell me your introduction.
मेरा नाम शाइस्ता अब्दुल हमीद है, मैं वर्धा सिटी से हूँ।
हमारा नाम आलिया अंजुम कयूम खान है, हम वर्धा सिटी से है, फ्रॉम आनंद नगर।
I am reporting about your city. Please tell me about your city.
Hello, what is your name? My name is Gendo Kumar and I am from Giridih, Jharkhand. Okay, Mr. Gendo, what do you think about COVID-19? Even I am observing and I am seeing that really COVID-19 is a very dangerous thing and it's spreading all.
You can see the milk seller is telling about me that the weather is very hot and we are not able to bear this weather, but we will have to serve. Hello guys, you can see he is his makan owner and he is a ठेकेदार and he is a labor. You can see and I am asking them कि सर तुम इस मौसम में कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो, जो आज का दिन है ये आप काम करते हुए कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो?
Cutting tree. I am cutting tree because I need some woods. That is why I am cutting tree for making food. So what happened? You don't know. Tree give us many things. Without tree we cannot live.
Hello guys, you can see some masons or some laborers are doing work on his new house. You can see, but I am asking them what are you feeling?
Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Kumar Yadav. I am from Reba, Madhya Pradesh. First of all, sir, thanks for giving me this chance. Today I am playing the role of news anchor for ground report.
You can see they are doing his work in the field and today is holiday and they are doing work his field. I would like to tell about them person ki how do you feel about this weather?
Hi guys, welcome back to Master D friends. As you know that we have started the activities and the students are participating. आप भी पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आज हम सारी एक्टिविटीज़ सुनेंगे जो ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग का वर्क मैंने दिया था स्टूडेंट्स को, ताकि उससे आप कैसे किसी से बात कर सकते हैं। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स काफ़ी लोगों तक गए, क्योंकि कोविड का भी दिक्कत है, इसलिए कुछ लोग नहीं जा पाए। दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट प्रिकॉशन के साथ कुछ लोग गए हैं और कुछ लोगों अपने आसपास में, जो अपने घर के आसपास जो भी होता है वहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है। तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने वहाँ पर रिपोर्टिंग की और बहुत ही अच्छी प्रैक्टिस मैं करवा रहा हूँ। इसके माध्यम से बस मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों में कॉन्फिडेंस आए, जो इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं उनमें बोलने की क्षमता है, कॉन्फिडेंस है, किससे कैसे बात करते हैं वो डेवलप हो। तो हम देखेंगे। उसके पहले मैं कल का टॉपिक आपको दे रहा हूँ। सो टुमारोज टॉपिक यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, दैट इज़ अनफॉरगेटेबल मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ। मीन्स अ मोमेंट विच यू कैन नॉट फॉरगेट इन योर लाइफ। आपको कुछ ऐसी घटना बतानी जो आप अपनी लाइफ टाइम नहीं भूल सकते हो। ठीक है, ऐसी घटना का 1.5 से 2 मिनट तक का वीडियो आपको बनाना, जितना भी आपसे बन जाए, 1 मिनट, 1.5 मिनट, 2 मिनट, आपको उसका अपनी बातें अंग्रेजी में उसको बतानी है, बोलनी इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, रिकॉर्ड करना है प्रॉपर वॉइस के साथ और मुझे भेजना है। ठीक है, 3 बजे के पहले भेजना है। नंबर मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में देके रखा है। लोग बहुत मुझे पूछते कि सर कहाँ वीडियो भेजना है। अरे भाई, डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर है ना, हर वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर दिए हैं मैंने। कोई भी जानकारी आपको चाहिए, अगर आपको कोर्स ज्वाइन करना है हमारा ऑनलाइन, तो भी आप वहाँ पर कॉल करिए। ठीक है, वीडियो भेजना है तो उसी नंबर पे भेजना है आपको। ठीक है, तो चलिए सुनते हैं सबके वीडियोस और आप भी इससे सीखिए। और बाकी कल मैं आपको गुड न्यूज़ देने वाला हूँ, मैं आपको कल बताऊंगा। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
Good morning, sir. Good morning, guys. My name is Suraj Kumar Singh and I am from Jharkhand, Jagdishpur. Today's topic is news reporter, and I am very excited today. So there is a person and I want to take some information about COVID-19. So let's start. Hi. Hello. What is your name? My name is Gendo Kumar and I am from Giridih, Jharkhand. Okay. Mr. Gendo, what do you think about COVID-19? Even I am observing and I am seeing that really COVID-19 is a very dangerous thing and it's spreading all around in our India. Okay, you right speak. And nowadays you are looking that many guys do not follow the COVID-19 rule. What do you want to say?
Yeah, absolutely right thing. Really, you have told that really people are not following. Even I have also observing that the villagers are not following any type of rule about government rule.
Okay, how we can save ourselves from COVID-19?
You know, there is no medicine from protecting with COVID-19. So we have only one medicine that from that we have to protect from COVID-19. We have to keep ourselves fit and fine, and we must have to care about ourselves. That is the best medicine.
Okay, and what is COVID-19 rule? For example, people should wear masks or not, and people should wash his hand, yes or not.
Yeah. These all rules are very important. That is made by government that people must use the mask and must use sanitizer, and people must maintain the social distance, and people should not go in the crowd. You know, through that bad activities, corona cases are increasing our India.
Yes. But nowadays you are looking the person who do not understand, and they always think that COVID-19 are nothing. What do you want to say?
Yeah, absolutely right. You said that it is right matter that people do not understand that what is COVID-19. They never ready to understand that what is COVID-19, and they just do their work on their mood.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Gendo. I feel very happy. And
Last, actually, I would like to require to all the person that all of you guys really, if you want to protect from COVID-19, then we have to follow all the rule, and we have to do all the thing that is saying government, and we must care about all the thing. And I would like to require to all the person that you please don't violate the rule. Please you use all the mask, sanitizer, all the thing that is necessary.
Hey guys, I am Habiba from Wardha, State Maharashtra. My today's topic is ground reporting on a situation or topic. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today, I have behaved on news anchor. Now, I am going to report about Wardha city. Start. Hi, I am Habiba. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Please tell me your introduction.
मेरा नाम शाइस्ता अब्दुल हमीद है। मैं वर्धा सिटी से हूँ।
हमारा नाम आलिया अंजू कयूम खान है। हम वर्धा सिटी से है, फ्रॉम आनंद नगर।
I am reporting about your city. Please tell me about your city.
वर्धा सिटी बहुत अच्छी है, और वर्धा सिटी में बापू कुटी है, और बापू कुटी की में वर्धा सिटी में बहुत से बापू के सिद्धांतों पे चला जाता है, और बापू कुटी की वजह से वहाँ पे महिलाओं को बहुत सारा आरक्षण है, और वहाँ पे जैसा वो खुद काम करके अपना घर चला सकती है, ऐसी अलग अलग वहाँ पे फैसिलिटी है। और वहाँ पे वो हर सब्ज़ी हर फल वही उगाते हैं, और वो खुद का काम खुद करते हैं। वैसी प्रेरणा यहाँ की महिलाओं को मिली है। और यहाँ पे एक कस्तूरबा हॉस्पिटल है, जहाँ पे फ्री में बहुत इलाज होता है, मुफ्त इलाज करते हैं बड़े बड़े बीमारियों को। और यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े बड़े यानी हर चीज़ की महिलाओं को सुविधा है।
हमारे सिटी में एक गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस है, बहुत सारे हैं। वहाँ पे कई बच्चों ने 99 के ऊपर परसेंटेज लिए, तो उस पर समझो फ्री में भी बच्चों को एडमिशन होता है और पैसों में एडमिशन है। लेकिन वहाँ के जो टीचर्स हैं वो ज़्यादातर बच्चों को फ्री में पढ़ाते हैं, और उसमें बच्चे कामयाब भी हुए।
Okay. And what are the facilities for standing in Wardha city?
यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस है, और यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरीज है जहाँ पे बच्चे जाके फ्री में पढ़ते हैं, उसके कोई पैसे नहीं लगते। यहाँ पे JB साइंस, BD कॉलेज और इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, ऐसी और बहुत सारी यहाँ पे कॉलेजेस है। और यहाँ पे इंग्लिश जैसे सिखाया जाता है। इसमें ये मास स्टडी बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, जिसमें बच्चे अपने दिल में जो कमियां थी वो इसके ज़रिए निकाल सकते हैं। इसलिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि इनको मास स्टडी जैसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, जिससे बच्चे कामयाब इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हैं।
Okay. And what is the famous sweet in Wardha city?
बरसपा।
Okay. Thank you so much, auntie, and thank you so much, Alia, for telling me this information about your Wardha city, and thank you so much, guys, for listening.
Hello guys, you can see some masons are some laborers are doing work on his new house. You can see, but I am asking them what are you feeling about this weather, and I know about his opinion this weather. You can see they are doing cold drink, and because weather is very hot, but I would like to know about his opinion, and I am asking them. You can see, and you are seeing these are drinking cold drink. First of all, I am going to tell about them. You can see. सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा, आज आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो इस मौसम में? बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी। They are doing we are feeling very hot, and today is very hot, so we are able to drink Coca-Cola. You can see, and sir, आपको कितनी डिफिकल्टी होती है इस मौसम में काम करने में?
इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत होता है। पसीने में पूरा तर हो जाते हैं, एकदम पूरा भिगा होता है। मेहनत इतना होता है, पूछो मत।
You can see they are telling me we are doing hard work in that time, but we are not able to bear this atmosphere. And today is a very hot day, and you can see they are drinking me Coca-Cola, and I would like to tell our thank you sir giving this opportunity to speak in front of people.
My name is Shubhi Dixit. I am from Raigad Chhattisgarh, and today I am doing a ground reporting, guys. And today I am going to tell you our news of the theft. There has been a theft in a house in a colony. Today it is the latest news today, and so let's see which house is that. Guys, this is the house. I think you can see. There has been a theft here, and which is stole it today. The house which it is stole it today, and let me explain what happened here and what actually happened. Those who lives in this house, actually he was still in this house. There was no one here. So the theft is come here in the night, and he was stole it today. One of the stolen in the night today was able to enter breaking one door, and he left with a fan and many chairs. So this is the latest news in my colony today. So thank you for listening to me, guys.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Suraj Kumar Singh, and I am from Jharkhand, Jagdishpur. Today topic is ground reporting. Okay, I am very excited for this. So let's start. There is a person. That person is cutting a tree. What is reason? Let's go. We want to know. Okay. This person is cutting tree. Hello.
Hello, hi.
What is your name?
My name is Gendo Kumar, and I am from Giridih, Jharkhand.
Why are you cutting tree?
I am cutting tree because I need some woods. That is why I am cutting tree for making food. So what happened?
You don't know. Tree give us many things. Without tree, we cannot live.
Really, I don't know anything about tree. What is the advantage of tree? Because I am a villager and I live in village area. So really, I do not have any idea about tree. So could you tell me something about tree?
You know, tree have everything in my life. Which you want, tree give us. For example, air and fruit, wood. Which you want?
Oh, really? I really didn't know about tree. That really tree give us a lot of things in our life, and really tree is important in our life. So now I got it all the thing that really tree give us a lot of things. So from today I will not cut any tree.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. What is your opinion? The person who cut tree.
Actually, about this situation and about this incident, I would like to inspire to the person who are cutting tree that please don't cut tree, because tree really give us a life, and really without tree we cannot survive a life. So always we should keep tree, and always we should save our environment. That is very important than other thing. So please keep this statement all forever.
Okay, your advice is very good. I feel very happy. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for talking to me, and really now I got it very nice thing, and really I understand all the things. So thank you so much for connecting with us. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Many thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Really, if you like this video, then please publish this video. Really, we both want to make our video great. And really, if we make any mistake, then please forgive me, sir, and please forgive me, guys, because now we are trying to speak best and fluent. So please support us and please share this video all around. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can see they are doing his work in the field, and today is holiday and they are doing work his field. I would like to tell about them person ki, how do you feel about this weather, and you can tell about this weather. So I am asking my friends, you can tell me about your name.
My name is Satish Walia.
His name is Satish Walia. And sir, what are you doing about this weather?
Today is a very hot day, and my
oh, don't worry.
Working today.
You
This is lady singer.
You can see they are working in his garden, and they are telling about me कि today is very hot day and we are not able to bear this atmosphere, and they are doing work in a heat, but they are saying this weather is very difficult, but we will have to do work in our garden. You can see they are doing work in his garden, and he is making clearly, and he is doing his garden in a lady finger.
Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Kumar Yadav. I am from Reba, Madhya Pradesh. First of all, sir, thanks for giving me this chance. Today I am playing the role of news anchor for ground report. Today I am going to tell about this road. You can see this is my village road, and work in progress in this road, and this road should have been built long ago but not made yet. Maybe now will become this road. If it is made, then there will be no problem for the villager. Thanks for watching and listening me. Thank you.